Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my current skincare routine. So the video footage that you're gonna see is actually my nighttime skincare routine. I will also share with you my daytime routine, but it is much simpler, so I didn't record it because I just remove a bunch of steps. So that's pretty much what I do for the daytime. It's been a while since I've been wanting to kind of do one of these videos. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I do love to make videos about affordable beauty and the occasional high-end splurge. And I love making Dollar Tree oriented videos as well. So if that sounds good to you, you are definitely in the right place. And I would love to invite you to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you are always notified when a new upload goes up. And for all you returning Dollar Divas, thank you so much for coming on back. And I've had some requests for this skincare video for a while, and I'm just now kind of getting around to it. So anyways, I'm sorry it has taken me this long because I do love skincare. And even though I love a lot of affordable beauty, I love Dollar Tree makeup. I do so many videos. I love all that stuff. I have become a sucker for high-end skincare. Kind of in the last couple years, I've slowly phased out all of my drugstore, most of my drugstore skincare products, and I've kind of upgraded to high-end. So it's just, it's just how I am. I really want to take care of my skin, and there's even high-end products that I don't really like. So I think I've found some stuff that I really like that I'm excited to share with you. Also, the makeup that I am wearing today is from my current makeup basket. I will have that video linked down below so you can check out that video and the entire playlist. So yeah, if you want to see my current nighttime skincare routine as well as know what I do for my daytime skincare routine, definitely keep on watching. So this is my nighttime skincare routine, and of course my skin is clean, but if I do need to remove makeup, I use micellar water and a makeup removing cloth. So this is the cleanser I'm currently using. It's the Equate version of the Neutrogena foaming, and I just like it okay. I am hoping to find a cleanser that I really love. So nothing special here, I'm just wetting my face, and oh yes, this is a spa headband that I found some time ago at the Dollar Tree, and I love it. Just putting some cleanser on my hand and getting it foamed up so I can get my face washed. It foamed up pretty good this night. It doesn't always do this well. And I try to massage that, and I have one of these things here from the Dollar Tree. I don't use this every time I wash my face, just every now and again. I am also doing a chemical peel tonight. I'm doing my extensive skincare routine for you all tonight, so I'm doing all the steps. I don't normally do every single one of these steps, but that's pretty gentle. I really do enjoy that, and trying to massage it more on my face and onto my neck a little bit. Excuse the faces. This is real, folks. So now I'm just rinsing all of the cleanser off my face. If you wash your face often, you know kind of what a pain this is. It's kind of my least favorite step, honestly. And now I'm patting my skin dry to get ready for the next step. And I try to do this step. On a good week, I might do it 3 times, and I do it at least once, but you can do it up to 3 times a week, and it is just an Estee Lauder resurfacing peel, which I love. And I generally use 3 to maybe 3.5 pumps, and I do carry it down to my neck. So now I just spread it across my skin, avoiding the eye area, creating as even a layer as possible down onto my neck. I do have a mask applicator, but in some ways, I sometimes just like using my fingers for this purpose. But I do use one of those every now and again. Then I rinse off my hands and dry them, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes. When it's time to rinse off the mask, I either use a clean face rag or one of these sponge mask removers that I found at the Dollar Tree. Dampened, of course. Once I have most of the mask removed, I do splash water on my face and rinse it off really, really, really well. This mask is really pretty easy to remove. It's not very thick. It's kind of a serum consistency. And then, of course, just pat dry. Next, I'll be applying my face and eye serums. The first one is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. So it comes on a wand, and I just kind of take some of the product off the wand and pat it around my eyes. And I know, you're supposed to pat eye products on with your weakest finger and it's more gentle on your eye area. I really do try to go gentle. It's just really uncomfortable for me to do that. So I do try to be as gentle as I can. For my face serum, I have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. So I apply about a pump and a half. I kind of put a full pump on my face. And this is designed to be used, I think, kind of when your skin needs a little pick-me-up, so a couple times a week. And I have really been loving it. I want to start going back to using the original as well. And then I use another half pump or so for my neck and my chest. So I use about a pump and a half of this serum. Then I wait about 5 minutes to let it absorb into my skin before applying my lotions. So these are my lotions. This is my night cream. It's the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. And I also have the Peter Thomas Roth Mega Rich Intensive Anti-Aging Eye Cream. As far as a night cream, I actually like the version of this cream that is not the night version, but it does not have the SPF, and I'll explain a little bit more about that later. So I have been using this eye cream for years, and if I ever stop using it, I always end up going back to it. It has been a long-time favorite of mine, and I have been really loving combining it with that Estee Lauder eye serum as well. So this is kind of an HG of mine for quite a while. And then this Estee Lauder face cream, this is the night version of the Revitalizing Supreme, and I like it okay, but I think next time I'm just going to go to the regular Revitalizing Supreme that does not have an SPF in it. That has been my favorite, and I always end up going back to that for my nighttime skincare cream. Now for the daytime, and you'll see here in a little bit, I use the version of this cream with the SPF. So I just pat all of these creams on my face, but this really is a really good cream. And then, of course, with all your skincare products, put the rest on the back of your hands. So for the daytime, these are the products that I use. I use the cleanser or any cleanser. I use my eye cream, and then I am using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme that has the SPF 15 in it. And this is just a simple skincare routine for the daytime. So I usually just do these 3 steps for the daytime. So I hope that you enjoyed getting to see how I take care of my skin. Skincare is so important to me. Of course, I get lazy just like anybody. There are nights that I do not wash my face. There are mornings I do not wash my face. I always take off my makeup, but you know, sometimes I'm a little bit more consistent than others, just like everybody, we're human. But like I said, those are the products that I am loving right now. Some of them I've loved for a while. Some of them are fairly new into my routine, and I'm really, really liking them. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I take care of my skin, and drop a comment down below if you use any of those products or if there's anything that you love for your skin. Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy this video, show me you enjoyed it by hitting that like button. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye.